Today, when you love someone, you will phone them 2 and 3 times a day. You want to find out how are you? Everything okay? You will watch, you will see, you will connect. You cannot sleep without send them message. You need to call, you need to meet. Because why? You love them so much, so much. How many times do you connect yourself with something to do with Nabi Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wa alihi wasallam? Allahumma salli ala Sayyidina Muhammadin wa ala alihi wa ashabihi Sayyidina Muhammadin wa barik wa sallim. That is called Salun Nabi. In Urdu we call Durood Sharif. In Arabic it is said Salun Nabi. Do you know that if you send blessings and salutations upon Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam, once Allah Almighty's love that so much, then He multiplies the rewards for you. Allah will test you with a certain period of sabr. You have to go.